Hey everyone, this is Caprice Johnston and this is my presentation. So for future job descriptions and duties, I will talk to individuals and foster their positive mental health and personal growth, evaluate patients' needs and accommodate them accordingly, study factors that affect human behavior, develop treatment plans, administer psychological tests, and determine results. For required education, psychologist schooling requirements consist of around 6 years of study, which includes a bachelor's and a master's degree. However, a doctorate degree and 1 to 2 years of internship and/or professional experience is often needed to secure a license for clinical positions, which brings the total time up to 10 to 12 years. This is my 4-year plan. In every semester I have a lot of generals or religion classes, but I'll also be taking introduction to sociology, research methods, history and system of psychology, development of psychology, business statistics, personal health and wellness. Continuing my plan will be essentials of human anatomy and physiology, social psychology, abnormal health, and then again I have a lot of electives or generals that I will also be doing throughout the semester. This is a personal picture. And then why I decided to major in psychology was I wanted to major in psychology after watching one of my friends go through a really tough experience, but was able to go to counseling. I saw what counseling did for her and how much it changed her life for the better. After observing this, I decided that being a counselor would be such a rewarding job, and I would love to make positive changes for those around me. I just think it would be very rewarding. And that is the end.